This is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and you can call us at 407-572-4118. This is an old paint on the base of the ceiling fan. They paint the house, they clean the whole house, but they didn't do that. When the tenant moved into this house, he realized that it was some paint stick already dry for so many long, I don't know how long, some paint on the ceiling fan base. Right now, Carlos is taking out those paint with a plastic blade. We always use a plastic blade. Show me. That's a plastic blade that you can find out on Home Depot. Thank you, Carlos. And with a microfiber cloth, damp the microfiber cloth, pass it on the dry paint, and then use your plastic blade. Why using plastic blade? Because it won't scratch the surface and it will be easy to maneuver. If you need your house clean, or if you need a post remodeling cleaning, new construction cleaning, new homeowners cleaning, just call us at 407-572-4118. After he finished to removing this dry paint, he's gonna use a polished silver spray, so he will spray all the surface and the surface will be shiny. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. Bye.